In the current project, we trained two different models. One model was trained using the HyperDrive configuration, and the other one was trained using the auto machine learning method. Here you can see the results of using the HyperDrive configuration. In this case, we had a classification problem for which we used a classic data set, which is the Titanic data set. And we could see that the primary metric was the accuracy. And, in this case, using the HyperDrive configuration, we were able to get a 79% of accuracy. On the other hand, by using the AutoML method, we were able to get a higher accuracy, in this case 0.82, and the best algorithm was a Borden ensemble. Correct. Previously for the HyperDrive we used the logistic regression. And so if we get back to the notebook, you can see here that we register this AutoML model for future deployment. We gave the name of best Titanic model, and we save it as a best AutoML model. Here you can see the model register, as I showed previously, the best Titanic ML model. And if we go inside, we can see some additional information. In this case, the endpoints, which is a very important information in order to be able to interact. You see here you could see the REST endpoint. You can see here that the applications insights were enabled, and you can see as well the applications insights URL. Okay, now let's get back to the notebook. And here you can see the code that I used to do the deployment. Here you can see clearly the message telling me that it was succeeded. And here I was able to retrieve also the scoring URIs, the Swagger URI, and the primary authentication key. And with that information, I was able to send some requests. You see here, I was able to generate some test data. And if you see here, I will test it just quickly right now. We don't have any response here. But when I test it, then the model should give me an output after receiving this input. So you see it exactly. The model gave me a classification prediction for the first input, which is this one. The prediction was 0. And for the second one, the prediction was 1. Thank you very much.